Now, the crypto market may not be performing the way that people want it to today. It's a very slow holiday weekend. Volume is down nearly 20%. The prices are down a little bit today as some stagnation sets in. But I do believe that things are going to be looking very good in the weeks to come. Of course, after the holiday is over with, traders will pour back in. Hopefully, they're buying back in, and prices are moving nicely to the upside. In this video, we're going to be going over some utility tokens and focusing on XRP and SHIB token, because these XRP price predictions are crazy good. Nearly 10 to 20x increases could be ahead. Let's talk about it. It sounds like something you're interested in. Let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. Now, XRP is eyeing a major breakout as historical patterns signal potential surge to 27 all the way up to $46. Now, I am a little bit more conservative on my XRP price predictions. I say we need to get between $5 and $10 before we start talking about 27 to 46. But let's see what these analysts have to say. It says XRP is consolidating around $2.30, showing signs of potential major move based on long-term price patterns. Historical cycles suggest possible targets between $12 and $46, depending on how the current structure plays out. Now, I am much more willing to go along with that $12 level as opposed to the 46. The 21-month exponential moving average remains at a key level, with XRP's recent 430% rise hinting at a possible retracement phase. Average projections point to a potential price near $30, with 27 being a realistic mid-range estimate. Now, XRP, currently trading around $2.30, is showing signs of consolidation after recent volatility. While the broader market remains uncertain, technical patterns on the monthly chart suggest XRP could be gearing up for a significant move. Now, of course, you do have XRP price targets between $12 and $46 based on these previous cycles. It says in cycle 1, the price of XRP dropped below the 21-month exponential moving average and plunged by 5,500%, retraced back to the exponential moving average, and then dropped again by 2,500%. Cycle 2 followed a similar pattern, though less dramatic, with an initial 150% decline, a recovery of the exponential moving average, and a further 500% decline. So we've got these levels to look at right here, but this is what I'm looking at on XRP. XRP has been range-bound since all of the election speculation, with essentially $2.60 being a major horizontal level of resistance, and this bull flag descending wedge that is taking place here with a horizontal support at $2 and descending trend line coming from that $3.40 all-time high down to the current level where we're at right now. Now, the good news is XRP is actually above this level. XRP has done a phenomenal job to break out of that wedge to the upside, simply running into resistance again around that horizontal level of resistance. And if you look at this, this is a very strong price pattern indicating growth off of that, what is that, 200-day moving average right there, continuing to hold up as levels of support. So if that's the case, XRP is still in a beautiful position to rise. Now let's talk about the effect that it's going to have on utility tokens. If XRP truly does break out between that $12 and $40 price point, you better believe that utility tokens are going to see a huge increase in value. And one of these utility tokens that I've been buying into is SHIB token. These guys are taking on the $85 billion content creation industry. Now, if you guys are interested in buying in as well, you can click buy with card or buy with crypto. Either way, you connect a wallet because you have to hold these tokens in your wallet. I like to scan via Best Wallet. If you guys don't have Best Wallet, you get a link for that down in the description as well. But scan that QR code, type in how much you want, and those tokens are yours on launch day. Currently positioned at 5.55 cents with 20% annualized staking, SHIB could be an excellent way to get into the content creation industry. They set out to solve a lot of problems with the roadmap down here as follows. Number 1, building the platform. Number 2, development and presale. And number 3, protocol and marketing. But perhaps one of the things that I like the most about this entire project, 115,000 followers out on their X account with a lot of impressions. Look at this. Their marketing is a potential powerhouse here. 295,000 views. 104 views on a post that just happened. They've got a lot of attention that they're getting. And I believe that these guys really could upset the $85 billion content creation industry. If they do, I expect major gains. If they follow utility tokens like XRP higher, I expect major gains. I want to know what you guys expect. Let me know down in the comments below. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.